The Carrington event of September 1st and 2nd, 1859 was the first and largest geomagnetic storm ever recorded on Earth. Auroras were seen around the world, even at low altitudes close to the equator like in Hawaii, Jamaica, and Colombia. It was so bright, gold miners in the Rockies were awoken at 1 a.m. with birds chirping, thinking it was dawn, time to go to work. And it totally wreaked havoc on the newly established telegraph system. Sparks flew off telegraph machines, shocking the shit out of some operators and even starting some fires. It was most likely caused by a ginormous cloud of charged plasma particles being flung from the sun in an event called a coronal mass ejection. On that September 1st, English astronomers Richard Carrington and Richard Hodgson were the first to independently observe and record solar flares. Usually it takes at least a couple days for solar flares or coronal mass ejections to make the 93 million mile trip to Earth, but this one arrived in just 17 hours. Some say we might expect a Carrington-level event every 1,000 years, and some say every couple decades, but they seem to coalesce about 150 years, so we might be overdue for another. It really fucked with the telegraph system of the time, but that was pretty much the extent of the electronics of the day. If a solar storm of the same scale struck today, it could fuck up pretty much everything associated with modern living. It could take down hundreds or thousands of large transformers and take down large portions of our power grid. Most cities have electronic water pumps that could be taken down, so you possibly wouldn't even have access to clean water. The internet and GPS systems could be down pretty much everywhere. Electronic payment systems and automated teller machines would likely be offline because they rely on the internet or satellite systems to work. Lloyd's of London and the Atmospheric and Environmental Research Agency estimated that a Carrington-level event could cause up to $2.6 trillion of damage in the United States alone. Luckily nowadays we have much better ways of monitoring and detecting solar storms. They move towards us really fast but much slower than the speed of light, so we should have several hours or a few days to prepare. Power grid systems could be taken down so they don't get shut down, and GPS systems could be taken down so they don't get taken offline forever. So like many other things, it's going to be important to listen to scientists, heed their warnings, and react accordingly. And let's all hope we can this time.